This video will really change your life. I will be explaining the law of attraction and manifestation, how to effectively manifest your dream life, techniques in which you can do this, and the basics of what the law of attraction actually is. So let's get right into it. Every single moment in your life has brought you to the present moment. You are constantly attracting things into your life without even realizing it. The law of attraction makes that you will attract into your life what you focus on. You can attract negative things into your life. You can attract positive things to you into your life. By showing you how to manifest, I really mean how to manifest intentionally. Because you are actually already always manifesting, you cannot stop, and there is no pause button in life. Obviously, you are constantly attracting things into your life, based on your thoughts, based on your feelings, based on your level of vibration. If you focus on the good in life, and you are constantly feeling positive, feeling good energy, good feelings, you are attracting more of that into your life, where vice versa is also true. Whereas, if you are focusing on the negative constantly, you are attracting negative things into your life. Once you get this concept and learn how to effectively use it, you will be able to manifest anything you desire into your life. I'm going to show you how to do that, and this will be life-changing. The law of attraction says I will attract what I want into my life. Manifestation says that I will attract what I am into my life. Both of these things are actually true. In the sense where you are attracting what you are into your life, you are attracting what you are giving. We are actually magnets, constantly attracting what we are into our lives. So when it comes to the law of attraction, you are attracting what you want into your life. A manifestation is saying, you are attracting what you are into your life. You can use the law of attraction. You are attracting what you are into your life. When you know that you are attracting what you are, the trick is to become what you want. And be the person you want to be in your mind, then comes into the physical. I know this sounds crazy, but please stay with me. Every single thing in this world is made up of energy. I am made up of energy. You are made up of energy. And everything is constantly vibrating. We are all vibrating at different frequencies based on the energy that we are giving off. Think about when somebody says I vibe with that person. What that really means is, we are connected vibrationally by the vibration. It's the same thing, so when you're vibing with someone, you are on the same vibrational playing field. Whatever you're vibrating at the same frequency as in your life. You are attracting into your life like a magnet. Whatever it is that I desire is vibrating a very high frequency. If I'm in a bad mood, I'm thinking I can't have this thing. I'm in a bad place, I'm upset, whatever. I won't be able to attract this thing into my life because we are at different frequencies. So when I learn how to raise my vibration and become happier and more fulfilled from within, then I'm raising my vibration. I'm at a happy, fulfilled place. Then I can easily attract that thing into my life like a magnet. Because you attract what you are. If I want to attract money, I have to already believe that I am wealthy, that I am rich. Then I'm attracting that into my life. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. The law of attraction is actually not just a spiritual belief. It is a scientific proven fact. There are millions and millions of success stories. People who have created their own dream life using the law of attraction. It is crazy. You should definitely look up some success stories. If you're trying to raise your faith, it is actually amazing. There is no wish too big. There is no wish too small. You can have anything, whatever it is in life you're focusing on. The universe is granting you. However, everything that you're thinking, saying, writing is constantly coming into existence. If you have ever woken and first thing when you got out of bed, you stubbed your toe. Now you are thinking, not my whole day is going to be bad. You started your day bad, and now you're in this place of, okay, now I'm in a bad mood. Because the way that you started your day is the way that you're continuing for the rest of the day. Because you are holding on to those negative feelings. Have you ever heard the phrase, woken up on the wrong side of bed? After one thing goes wrong, everything then goes wrong. That's no coincidence. Once you are in this bad mindset, more bad things are coming to you. So that's why it is so important to learn to let go of bad emotions and constantly be raising your vibration in order to be attracting things of a high vibration into your life. For example, if you're saying she doesn't like me, she doesn't text me, she doesn't talk to me, the universe says, okay, your wish is my command. She now won't text you. She isn't going to talk to you. That's an example of manifesting something that you probably wouldn't want. The opposite is true vice versa, where if you're like, she texts me all the time, she likes me, and so on, the universe says, okay, your wish is my command, and that becomes your reality. When it comes to the law of attraction and manifestation, you have to let go of the past and the future. They do not really exist. The only thing that exists is the present moment. And you are creating your future by living in the present moment. So you have to always stay present in the moment. Manifest the things you want in the future by already having them in your mind, because that's how they come into the physical. Now we are going to be getting into the actual methods in which you can manifest. So the first thing I want to be teaching you about is affirmations. When affirmation is basically a positive statement in the present tense, you can use affirmations when trying to manifest specific things into your. For example, if you're trying to manifest self-confidence, I would use the affirmation, I am so happy and grateful now that I am so self-confident, and you can do this with anything. If it's money, you can say, I'm making so much money every day, I make money all the time. I'm constantly bringing money into my life. I am wealthy. I have always more than enough money. Whatever you want it to be, if you're attracting a specific person or a man of woman or a significant other, you can say, I am so happy and grateful now that I am in a happy and loving relationship with him. If it's an actual specific person that you know in real life, you can even use their name. Another thing you have to keep in mind is that, again, you're always manifesting. So affirmations are no different than affirming what you currently have. So let's say that you are currently in debt and you're just complaining. And you're like, I have so much debt, I have no money, blah, blah, blah. That is what you're affirming, and that is what's becoming true. So all you're doing is flipping that and creating a new affirmation for the present. Your present actually makes up the future. So when it comes to affirmations, there is a method that I really recommend using, especially for the beginners. And you can always use this. It's called the 5x55 method. For the 5x55 method, it's basically when you pick an affirmation, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest into your life. For example, the self-confidence one, I am so happy and grateful now that I'm so self-confident. Repeat this every single day for 5 days at the same time every day. You are going to take your notebook and you are going to write down 55 times. I am so happy and grateful now that I'm so self-confident. Now I'm going to get into the actual step-by-step process. I will show you how to manifest something into your life. So use a manifesting journal. You gotta make it your own. You can use anything for this. Just writing down becomes so powerful. I'm going to tell you the step-by-step process of how to manifest. Step 1. You have to ask. This is you asking the universe for what you want. So you are asking the universe for what you want. Write it down in the present tense. This is the affirmations that we talked about. I'm so happy and grateful now that this is whatever it is you want to manifest. Seriously, it can be anything in the whole world. There is no wish too big. The universe can give anything to you with the snap of the finger. So you're writing down this affirmation. This is you placing your order. The second step is believe. You have to believe that it is already yours. You have to have absolute belief. The universe will start to rearrange itself to make it happen for you. You have to let go of the how. It doesn't matter how it is going to happen. It does not matter when it is going to happen. The bottom line is that it is going to happen. You have to know I am going to have this thing. It doesn't matter when, let go of time. The present moment is the only thing that matters. And if you believe now that you have it, then you will have it. I promise the law of attraction always works, as long as you are not doubting the process. And it takes time to get really good at trusting. But once you can do it, you will see that the results are insane. Now it's normal for feelings of doubt to come up, where you feel like, this isn't actually gonna happen. What am I doing? This isn't real, like I'll try to manifest. But I don't feel like it's really gonna happen. As soon as you think that, guess what the universe says? Okay, your wish is my command, now it's not going to happen. So whenever you have feelings of doubt, replace that with, I know it is coming, I know it is coming. Replace it with a feeling of unwavering belief. The last step is to receive. Begin to feel wonderful about it. Feel the way that you will feel once it arrives. Embody those emotions. It's important to feel good and happy during this process. Because you're then putting yourself, it's important to feel good and happy during this process. What I mean by saying you have to feel it is when you're manifesting. You have to experience the emotions as if you have this thing right now. So whether that's happiness, joy, excitement, whatever it is, those are the feelings that you want to feel. So a good way of manifesting is scripting. Take a notebook and take a pen. This is you looking at your catalog of everything that you want. You are placing your order with the universe. You can write about your life in every single way in the present tense, as if you already have these things, because you are going to have them. Just explain your life and everything that you want. The more detail, the better. Write it all down for a minimum of 10 minutes. Make sure there are no distractions. Put on some relaxing music in the background. and then follow those same steps after you finish scripting. So believe that whatever you are manifesting is already on its way to you. When you finish manifesting, our next affirmation I like to use is, "My desires are on the way," or something even better is coming. You have to trust the universe. The universe can give you whatever you want, as long as you believe it is already yours. Another thing that I like to do is visualizing, which is something that you should be doing every single day. Center yourself and then envisioning whatever it is that you want in the present moment. So you're closing your eyes. Let's say you want a car. Envision the car. You are in the car. See your hands on the steering wheel. Drive the car. Feel the emotions that come with having this car. Feel it, experience it, love it, and then let it go. The universe will give it to you. When it comes to letting go, I'll give you an example that really helped me. Imagine you are in a restaurant and you place your order. You're waiting for that order to come. You're not thinking of how are they making this, or when is it going to come. You're sitting back, you're enjoying a drink. You're hanging out with people, you're talking and having fun. You know that your food is coming. You're not obsessed with when it's coming. You're not obsessed with how the chef is making it because you know it's going to come. This is the same exact thing. Do not obsess about how this thing is being brought to you. Do not obsess about when it's going to be brought to you, because it is going to be brought to you. And the less you obsess, and the more that you believe, the faster it will come into your life. The last thing you need to know is express gratitude. So after you finish manifesting, or just first thing in the morning, one of my favorite things to do is just write down 10 things that I'm grateful for. This will help you to feel in a place where you are already happy with the life that you have. When you are in a place where you are already happy and fulfilled, you are not going to be obsessing about this thing because you are already happy. The way that you are expressing gratitude and feeling thankful for the things you already have in your life will show the universe that you are vibrating at a higher frequency and you can attract the things you want into your life. Because when you are in a place of happiness, you can attract more happiness, like along with the things that bring you happiness. Start doing this today and see how your life will change. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.